What's up guys, it's Kelly and today I've got a quick and easy little nail art Sunday for you. So I recently reviewed the Little Ondine twin sets, which is peel off nail polish that comes in little double sets, and you guys asked me to do some nail art for it. So I picked out the blue and white polishes, which I'll link down below, and I decided to do some super simple winter nail art, just like a little gradient snowflake action. Perfect for winter, obviously. So if you guys are interested, then just keep on watching. So I am going to use the Little Ondine base and top coat for both my base and top coat, obviously. And then I'm going to be using this twin set. They do have 3 colors so far, but hopefully they'll come out with more. I'm going to start off with my clean natural nail and apply my base coat. You may notice that my nails are super short. I filed them a little bit shorter than usual. Didn't mean to, but it's okay. I'm just going to roll with it. And then once that's dry, I am going to apply a coat of this gorgeous teal kind of blue cream here. And it really did give me like 1 coat coverage, but I ended up doing 2 just because, I don't know, it feels better that way. So I'm going to take some of that white nail polish and a little paintbrush, and then I'm going to start to draw on my snowflakes onto my nails. So what I'm doing is I'm concentrating the bigger snowflakes, and later I'm going to be concentrating those bigger dots on the bottom of my nail, and then work my way up and slowly make those snowflakes and dots smaller. So it kind of works like a gradient, but instead of being like a fade from one color to another, it's a fade from less snowflakes to a lot of snowflakes, if that makes sense. Kind of hard to explain, but it's actually really easy to do, especially if you have like a nice little nail art brush. I will link the one that I use down below. It's from the What's Up nail store, and it's pretty much my favorite brush. If you think it's too complicated to do like the snowflakes the way I did it, you can just do little X's, and I think it looks just as cute. I did that on some nails as well. So then I'm going to take a dotting tool, and I'm going to use the larger side to fill in the areas on the bottom. Like I said, we want the bigger dots to be on the bottom, and then we are slowly going to work our way up with a smaller dotting tool and just fill in some of that extra space, and just keep it really heavy on the bottom and really sparse on the top. So even if there are some smaller dots on the bottom, we just want there to be more on the bottom than just a few on the top, if that makes sense. You kind of just have to go until it feels right. So since this polish dries pretty much instantly, you don't have to wait before you apply top coat when you're doing nail art, and it actually doesn't smudge the design at all, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, that's the whole design. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I do have a discount code for Little Ondine, so I will put that on the screen and also in the description so you guys can check it out. And like I said, this is a peel off nail polish, so you can do whatever kind of crazy fun nail art you want to do, and then when you're done you can just peel it off. I got some little bonus footage at the end of this video of me peeling off this manicure, so I know a lot of you guys find that to be super satisfying. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you later. Bye! Stay tuned for the peeling if you're into that. I don't know. There it is.